Hey guys, you should get this motorhome too and enjoy a rooftop pool lounge like me, surrounded by nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a nice comment.
Wait, this isn't just a motorhome, this is a rolling royal palace that will completely change how you see life on the road. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, where luxury meets engineering in ways you never imagined. Today, we are unveiling a breathtaking masterpiece inspired by Mercedes design excellence, finished in a stunning white and rose gold color combination that instantly screams prestige, power, and elegance. From the moment this giant machine appears on the highway, it commands attention like a celebrity. But trust me, what you're about to see on the inside is even more unbelievable than its jaw-dropping exterior presence. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing looks like it belongs in front of a 5-star resort in Beverly Hills. The white body shines like polished pearl under sunlight, while the rose gold accents wrap around the edges, windows, and trims, giving it a signature luxury identity. Massive panoramic windows, sculpted curves, and intricate detailing make it feel more like a moving mansion than a vehicle. Every line is carefully designed, aerodynamic yet bold, and those custom LED lighting strips make it glow beautifully at night, turning highways into red carpet moments. Now step into the drive cabin, and you'll immediately feel like you're sitting inside a futuristic command center. The Mercedes-inspired dashboard is fully digital, featuring ultra-wide displays, AI-assisted navigation, voice control, and advanced driver assistance systems. Premium leather seats with heating and cooling, ambient lighting, and a panoramic windshield give the driver a cinematic view of the road ahead. This isn't just driving, it's an experience crafted for comfort, safety, and absolute control. Moving into the first-floor living area, you're welcomed by a luxury lounge that rivals high-end penthouses. Soft white tones blend perfectly with rose gold detailing, while plush sofas, a smart entertainment system, and hidden storage solutions maximize both comfort and functionality. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, oven, and even voice-controlled cabinets. Right beside it, you'll find a designer bathroom featuring marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and touchless technology, giving you a true spa-like experience on the road. Heading up to the second floor, things get even more impressive. This level is designed for rest, wellness, and productivity. A master bedroom with a king-size bed, panoramic windows, and luxury interior finishes creates a peaceful retreat wherever you park. There's also a private office space, perfect for remote work, designed with premium materials and smart connectivity. You'll also discover a fully equipped gym, a dedicated meditation and medical room, and even a massage therapy suite for ultimate relaxation. And right in the middle of your journey, imagine a newly married couple stepping outside into the mountains, sipping tea together as the sun rises, surrounded by peace, love, and breathtaking views. Finally, we reach the top floor, and this is where things become truly extraordinary. A modern rooftop swimming pool sits at the heart of this level, designed with cutting-edge filtration and temperature control systems. Surrounding it is a relaxing deck area with seating, mood lighting, and open sky views that make every moment unforgettable. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet sunset, this space transforms the motorhome into a 5-star luxury resort on wheels. Throughout the entire motorhome, smart technology connects everything seamlessly. From climate control and lighting to security systems and entertainment, everything can be managed through a central control system or even your smartphone. This level of innovation ensures that comfort, safety, and convenience are always at your fingertips, no matter where your journey takes you. So if you ever wondered what happens when engineering brilliance meets luxury living, this is your answer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement designed for those who refuse to compromise. And here at Apex Motorhome, we bring you the most incredible creations from around the world, just like this one. If this masterpiece amazed you, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more jaw-dropping motorhomes that redefine travel forever. We are talking about a future where the road becomes your home, your office, your retreat, and your escape all in one place. Every detail in this motorhome has been carefully crafted to deliver unmatched luxury, from the materials to the technology to the overall experience. It represents a new era of travel where freedom and comfort exist together without limits. Imagine waking up in a different landscape every day, without ever sacrificing the comfort of a 5-star environment. This is not just innovation, this is evolution on wheels. And once you see something like this, there's no going back to ordinary travel ever again. Thank you for watching Apex Motorhome. See you next time.